Olivia Grange writes the following. I thank Engineer Kelechi C. Obona, President, Igbo, Jamaica, and the Reverend Dr. Chukwuemeka Victor Chiana, Chairman Iriji 2024 Committee, who invited me to participate in the celebration of Iriji, New Yam Festival, staged by the Nigerian community in Jamaica on Saturday, November 2nd, 2024, where I was represented by one of my permanent secretaries, Dr. Dean Roy Bernard. It was also an honor to have received a plaque and fabric in recognition of motherly love, friendship, unwavering support, and most especially for your promotion of our annual Iriji Festival and constantly identifying with our African cultural heritage. For us in Jamaica, yam brought here from our African homeland has been the sustenance of many a diet and an ingredient of many meals within our families. Jamaicans put much emphasis on the place yam in the nutritional enrichment of our people, to the point where those who would seek to discover the secret of the prowess of our Jamaican athletes, namely one such Usain Bolt, have been led to believe that his athletic prowess was connected to the yams of his home parish of Trelawney, one of Jamaica's most famous locations for yams. As minister with responsibility for culture and reparations, I am particularly interested in restoring and strengthening the bonds that originally connected the people of Jamaica to the people of Nigeria. The staging of the Iriji New Yam Festival by the Igbo community here in Jamaica plays a strategic role in this national policy. Within the framework of cultural policy, we are assured of the part played by festivals and rituals in the promotion of knowledge, understanding, and cooperation between the Jamaica people and the homeland nations of Africa.